What are the best cybersecurity roles for beginners? I get that question all the time. In this video, I'm going to help you answer that for yourself because there isn't just one best role for beginners, there's a couple. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. When people ask me this question, they're usually hoping for one answer. They want me to tell them, do this job and that's it. But it's not a one size fits all. And this is a career that you have to do for a lifetime. So it should be something that fits you. They want people to just tell them, tell me where to start, tell me the job. But cybersecurity doesn't work like that. The best role depends on you. It depends on your background. It depends on your strengths. It depends on how you like to work. Because what feels simple to one person can feel overwhelming to someone else. Let me make this practical. Think about choosing a role like choosing a workout. Some people enjoy structure and repetition. I don't. Some people enjoy structure and repetition. Others prefer problem solving and variety. That's me. So same goal, different approach. Cybersecurity is the same. So instead of asking, what's the best cybersecurity job I can get into? The better question is, what type of work in cybersecurity fits me best? Here's a few beginner-friendly paths that I've seen that tend to fit and suit people. The first one is risk and compliance, governance, risk and compliance, GRC. If you like structure and organization and you like clear guidelines, this path focuses on making sure that rules are followed. It focuses on risks being identified and processes being in place. The second role that you can explore is an analyst role. If you enjoy looking at information and figuring things out, this path involves reviewing activity, it involves spotting patterns, and it involves identifying potential issues. Another role you can look into is support and operations. If you're really strong in coordination and keeping things running smoothly, this path focuses on handling requests. So managing access, supporting day-to-day activities and operations. And then finally, another role you can look into is security awareness and communication. If you're good with people and you love communication, this path helps organizations train teams. It helps improve behavior. It helps reduce human-related risk. So those are just 4 parts. There's so many. None of these require you to start with deep technical skills, I have to say, but they do require different ways of thinking, as you've just seen. So here's what matters. There's no best role. There is only the best fit for you. So how you like to work, what your experience is. Because once you're in the right lane, everything actually feels easy for you. It doesn't feel so much like a transition. So learning makes more sense when you know where you're going. Confidence is built faster. Progress feels more natural. If you've been trying to figure out which role actually fits you, there's a simple way to do that. We have an assessment that we do called the Cybersecurity Role Finder. It takes 3 to 5 minutes. I'll put the link below. If you're not already following me, please follow me for more practical insights on how to choose the right path and break into cybersecurity without needing to be technical. See you in the next video.